Plug the power cord into the back of the printer. Now plug your USB cable into the printer. Power on the printer by pressing the power button found on the lower right front of the machine. Allow the machine to run its startup sequence. This may take up to 6 minutes to complete, so please be patient. Upon startup, you will see the message Managed by Admin, 01 Office or 02 Home. Answering this question as Office means you must enter an ID and password when setting certain printer functions. The Home selection does not use the ID password function. If you're in a home office or the only user of this printer, it's recommended to use the Home option. Press the down arrow and select the Home function. Select OK. Now we'll see a message, Welcome. Set up your machine now. Are you sure? Press the button directly under the Yes prompt to perform the machine installation setup. The first page of setup is displayed. Set the time zone, date, and time. Select Change. Our first setting is time zone. Here we will set time zone either by city location or time zone. In our example, we'll select 13 Central Time Zone. Select OK. Using the up, down, left, right navigation keys, enter if needed the current year, month, and day. Press Next. Using the navigation keys, enter hours, minutes, and seconds if required. Press Next. You may get a message on the screen stating, if you change date setting, trials will be unavailable. Are you sure? Yes or no? Press Yes. Since we will be using a physical USB cable and not attaching to a network, press the Skip button to continue. You will now see Completing Setup, README, and Finish. Press Finish to complete the initial setup. Select OK when the machine states Genuine Kyocera toner installed. For now, just add letter paper to the cassette so you can continue the machine setup. You can watch the MA2100 Add Paper to the Cassette video on how to add specific paper types. The machine is now ready. Now view the Download and Install the Mac driver for USB video for Apple computers, or download and install the KX driver for USB video for Windows computers.